Hello, welcome to the demonstration of Election Manager software. Election Manager software, you can efficiently manage your election and achieve a great win. Let's start. Election Manager software have two platforms, that is desktop and mobile application. To enter into Election Manager software, user can log in as admin or as a volunteer. Let's log in as admin. This is the dashboard from where admin can manage entire software with the help of features like assign voter data, approve masters, voting day setup, volunteer details, etc. Under volunteer details, admin can create volunteer, manage volunteer field setup, and assign volunteer rights. Create volunteer gives option to admin where admin can create volunteers, also can assign rights to volunteer. Admin can also assign rights like new voter, add references, and send SMS, mobile authentications, and many more. Under the voter data feature, admin can select the volunteer and assign voter data to that particular volunteer. Admin can also fill all the details of particular voter like voter meeting details, voter personal details, etc. Admin can also add reference voters under that particular voter. Here you can see the complete list of reference voters. Under Masters feature, there are 4 options available for admin, which are Status Master, Reference Type Master, Reference Subtype Master, and SMS Template. Under Voting Day Setup feature, there are 4 options available for admin, which are Voting Day Master Setup, Voting Day Master Entry, Voting Day Setup, and Polling Day Entry. Admin can manage Area-wise Master, Voting Center Master, Room Master. Admin can easily select the state, city, and voting center area. Admin can select state, city, voting center area, and voting center under Center Masters. Under Room Master, admin can assign particular room to particular voters. Further, under Voting Day Setup, there is an option of Polling Day Entry. Under this option, admin can select a particular voter from the search criteria and then update the voting cast status of the member. Let's come back to the dashboard. The Election Manager software also gives very interactive reporting facility where admin can easily check the reports of entire campaigning executed by the software. Like admin can see campaigning report where admin can check list of all volunteers and the campaigning summary executed by them. Admin can also check location-wise voting status, further zone-wise and further room-wise. Under Campaigning Report, admin can check detailed reports of each summary and also can export it in Excel format for the further use. Apart from textual information, Election Manager software also provides a graphical representation of the reports in the form of pie chart available at the right side, where summary report and individual reports of each volunteer is available. As you all know that any election campaigning include lot of field work for volunteers while they directly interact with the voters. Hence, Election Manager mobile app will be available for the volunteers. Each volunteer will have their username and password. Once they log in, they can see alphabetically arranged list of the voters assigned to them by the admin. Volunteer can check the details of particular voter with their status. Volunteer can also punch the remark for the voter like meeting date, meeting time, meeting remark, etc. Here is the complete list of voters. Each voter will have their personal page with detail like name, address, phone number, etc. With the help of Edit Profile option, volunteer can also add the voter's profile. Let's back to the voters list. There is an option of Refer where volunteers will get 3 options, which are Add Reference, Refer to, and Referred by. From this, volunteer can check the list of voters referred by that voter and also add more references under that particular voter. Every voter detail also contains Family option where volunteer can see the list of members connected with that voter. Election Manager mobile app also include various options like meeting schedule where volunteer can schedule the date of meeting in the calendar. All meeting is the option where volunteer can see all the schedule meeting with the voters. Then with the help of today's meeting option, volunteer can see the schedule of today's meeting. From by day meeting option, volunteer can check the list of meetings which will fall in particular 2 dates. From voting day option, volunteer can set up the details like voter name, center name, room number, message and submit it. Then volunteer can also search that voter and update the status if voted or not voted. From polling center option, volunteer can check the list of all the centers. Volunteers can also create volunteers from create volunteer option. Volunteer will get option of voting report where volunteer can check summary of the campaigning. Volunteer can see the report as per the center-wise, total voter-wise, voted or not voted. Wise. Volunteer can elaborate these report and can see list of voters and check who voted who not voted and can send them SMS also. Volunteer can see details about its center and who all voted in that particular center and can send SMS. Thanks for watching demonstration of Election Manager software and mobile application.